Scavenging in diesel engines. Scavenging is the process of removing exhaust gases from the cylinder after combustion and replenishing the cylinder with fresh air. Efficient scavenging is necessary for good combustion of fuel inside the engine cylinder. The passage of scavenge air will also assist cooling of the cylinder, piston, and valves. Time available for scavenging process in two-stroke engine is less than four-stroke engines. Satisfactory scavenging depends on efficient evacuation of exhaust gases, exhaust ports or valves open before scavenge ports, scavenge ports close after the process of gas exchange, loss of fresh air through exhaust passage to be minimum. Different stages of scavenging. First stage, blowdown period. Sudden opening accelerates exhaust gases to exhaust manifold. Second stage, scavenge period. Begins after scavenge ports open. Scavenge air sweeps gases out. Pressure difference between the scavenge trunking and exhaust manifold is important. Third stage. Effort made to contain air in the cylinder. Cross-flow scavenging. Cross-flow scavenging is the gas exchange process, in which the charge air passes is directed upwards, passing under the cylinder cover, and down the opposite side, expelling exhaust gas through exhaust ports on that side. This system is obsolete now. Loop scavenging. Loop scavenging is the gas exchange process, in which the charge air passes over the piston crown and rises to form a loop within the cylinder, expelling exhaust gases through exhaust ports cut in the same side of the liner, above the scavenge ports. Uniflow scavenging. Uniflow scavenging is the gas exchange process, in which the charge air passes straight up through the length of the cylinder, forcing the exhaust gas through exhaust valve at the top of the cylinder.